I'm sick. So what better thing to do when you're sick than to fry candy bars? And Jenna messed up, so I've already started. We fried a Milky Way first. So what we did is we put the Milky Way in pancake batter, and then we put it in the fryer. And this is what it turned out to be. I'm gonna get some burger.
Beautiful.
Okay, that's what it turned out to be. And we're gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna try it. Again, it is a Milky Way. Frying candy bars is like the favoriteest thing to do at the fair. Okay, that's pretty hot. Oh, so that was a fun to fire. Okay. Well, those are cooling down. We're on 5 right now.
This one might not turn out as well.
But like, I love the inside front of cherry matches. I'm so happy right now. Okay. So now we're gonna try the Milky Way while that's frying. Jenna, your Milky Way?
That's really good.
That's really good. That's really good.
How do you pause it?
Don't pause it.
Okay.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. It's really good.
From 1 to 10. Fried Milky Way to 10.
Yeah, that's really good.
This is this is a cherry mash. And can I just say how pretty that looks? If you don't know what a cherry mash is, it's like cherry stuff in the middle.
Right.
And then it's got chocolate on the outside and like peanuts. But I don't really like peanuts, so it's hot. Okay. Now we're gonna try another one. While that's cooling down. Kit Kat or Reese's?
Let's go with Reese's.
Reese's? My lovely sister's manly voice.
Hey, I'm sick too, Aubrey.
I know. Okay. These Reese's. Unwrap. That happens every time. To me, every time. Yes. I'm so happy we're doing this. And this is not hashtag spons. Unless you count as we're sponsoring our dad's bar, then it is. Which is Clyde's Bar and Brother's Bar. So I guess it is. Hashtag spons. Rub it on the pancake batter. Okay, now get it.
Oh, that landed on my shoe.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get it this time. Clean! Yay! That makes me happy. That never happens to me.
Looks beautiful, Aubrey.
Awesome. Okay.
Can I get this off my shoe?
No, shut up. Up here.
Sorry.
We're gonna have to pick that up. Oh.
Drip more.
We're frying candy bars. I need another.
Hi, Dad.
Dad, is this hashtag spons? Do you want to sponsor your bar? Okay, hashtag spons. Clyde's Bar and Grill, Farmington, Nebraska.
got it on my shoe. Aubrey, clean it off my shoe. I think these are.
Are they done? What are these?
Woo, Reese's.
Oh, they're the Reese's. Yeah. These are. Just stop.
Okay, you do that.
No camera aim and.
Okay, we're gonna eat cherry mashes.
Yeah, we're gonna eat the cherry mashes. I forgot that's what we had to do on the Friday.
Well, you also have to
Oh
clean.
no!
And we're at 6 minutes, Aubrey.
It's on my Twitch. Oh. That one ripped.
Okay.
Okay. And this one's a cherry mashes?
I have no idea.
Okay, I think that this is what the cherry mashes look like fried. I'm gonna take the bigger
Oh, you're so nice.
Okay, bite right into the cherry.
That's good.
That's good.
I didn't even bite into the cherry.
That's good. Guys, try this. Here's cherry mash.
I don't like cherry mash.
And we got Milky Way.
I hate cherry. I hate Milky Way.
Why do you hate candy? Okay. That one?
I don't hate candy. I just don't like those two kinds.
Reese's?
I like it.
Anyways,
Yeah.
those were like a 5. I don't really like cherry mashes. So.
I don't either. Anymore, I used to when
Here
I
are
was
the-
little.
Ooh, those are so hot. Well, wait.
Our brother loves them.
Okay.
You know?
Kit Kats are the last. I don't know how these are gonna fit. I didn't know how any of these were gonna fit. I need to clean that up. That made a mess.
While she tries to open the Kit Kat.
Oh, perfect. It always breaks it in half. Always.
Or are you just gonna keep it in 2 pieces? Like
Yeah,
that?
but like, what I don't like is when people eat Kit Kats like this. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
That's yours.
Uh-huh. That makes me mad. Like, rip them apart and eat them how they're supposed to be eaten. Not hating on nobody. I'm just saying. So, tell me how you eat your Kit Kats. Oh my gosh, it makes me mad. Don't do
You're
that.
supposed to put it down.
I put it down.
Okay.
Kit Kat number 2.
My Kit Kat.
Jenna's Kit Kat. Holy balls. Ooh. Oh no. I need to clean it up. Yeah.
Okay, now you want to try the.
Reese's?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna clean that up later. Okay, so the Reese's.
You're too
are-
close.
The Reese's are these. This is what they look like, Brad.
I get the bigger one.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mine has cherry mash on it. Oh man, I hate Reese's. Ugh.
I don't know about hot peanut butter. I don't know. Pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 7.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say. Delicious.
That looks great. Ooh, look at that.
That one's yours.
There should be like a thing everywhere. Anyway, I need to clean this up. Okay. Those are still hot. So,
Let's just enjoy the Milky Ways.
yeah, the Milky Ways. No, no, it's so good.
The worst one so far is
No, sorry, not.
yeah, the cherry mash isn't very good.
But these. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Are you eating yours or mine?
Oh, no, that is no good.
Because I wanted.
Amy, you gotta try these Milky Way. Try this Milky Way. That's my favorite.
It's really good.
Really good. A Milky Way. Okay, Kit Kat's cooled down. Ooh, not really.
Woo.
Okay.
Boy, that was chewy.
Anyways, we're gonna be doing challenges. We're gonna do the baby food challenge. We're gonna do. What was that one we were gonna do? Oh, we were gonna do the eat it or wear it challenge. All my next videos for the rest of the summer, which is very short, are gonna be all challenges. So I think these are cooled down enough.
We need to leave some for Danny.
Yeah, we do. Well,
She's
just
too sick.
Oh yeah.
Eat this. It's still hot, kind of.
This is yours. You bit it.
I forgot that I did it.
It kind of looks like a
It looks like
tornado. It looks like a
It
tornado.
looks like a big turd.
death. Yeah.
What is it?
I can't bite into
Quick
it.
hot.
What is it?
Quick hot. Oh, hot, hot. Oh, that's not good.
Let me see. Give it here.
That's not good. Here. This is the.
Girl, eat that Kit Kat one.
This is the. What's it called?
I don't know.
Reese's.
Uh-huh.
Reese's. My dad's gonna get the Reese's one. What do you think? We good?
Give me your Kit Kat one.
It tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
Okay, back to Aubrey.
That one's burnt, I think.
Cooked it too long?
Yeah. Anyways, that was a success. None of them were below 5. So, yeah.
One was at 5.
Key of life number 1 is fried candy bars. So, that'll be it for today. Goodbye.
Can't press pause.